Guys, it's a great day. I don't have quarantine hair anymore, thank God. I can finally talk to you guys without feeling like I'm hiding something under here. But you've seen me at my worst hair day, so it can only get better from here. Like your investments. Hi everyone, my name's Nick with NJMinvesting. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Robinhood, the heroic outlaw brokerage that has been all over the media. And just like its name, it's taken riches from the rich and has given it to the poor. However, it's also played the reverse Uno card to many new investors who may not have as much, so there's that. But before I mislead you down the wrong path here or give you any scary ideas, let's talk about Robinhood more in depth and give you more information that you can relate to. In the first quarter of this year alone, Robinhood reported a record number of 3 million new account signups. Largely, this could have been due to many different things, including the extra time spent learning different things at home that you always wanted to learn, or possibly reading that financial book that you always wanted to read, the one that's on your shelf. You know that one. Or possibly, you probably just had a thought that I should be thinking about my financial future during this time. In general, everyone's reason for wanting to invest in the stock market will vary. However, with so many new people coming into the scene of investing in the stock market, you might think that you're a little too late to the party. I'm sure you may have heard this before, but it's never too late to start investing in your future. Just make sure you bring some extra beer. Oh my god.
Boo, that's so lame.
Oh,
Boo.
so lame. I know. The stock market with knowledge and restraint by your side can be the start of the journey that many of you are waiting to embark on. So now you may be wondering what brokerage is the right one for you and how exactly do you get started? Well, for many investors, including myself, Robinhood has all the features that I need. So without further ado, let's talk about the benefits and the downsides of what Robinhood has to offer as brokerage. And this is just a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by Robinhood, yet I use their product on a daily basis and really enjoy using their application. So that's why I'm presenting you some facts about Robinhood right now. Alright, first, let's talk about some benefits that Robinhood has to offer that I personally love as an investor. Number one benefit, free stock trading. Also known as zero commission trading. Before Robinhood was made, and even now, many brokerages charged up to $10 per trade, meaning that every time you enter or exit a position, your brokerage would essentially charge you a maintenance fee of sorts. Robinhood essentially did away with that. So now you can make trades for exceptionally good value. Number two benefit. Robinhood is a SIPC member, meaning that your securities up to $500,000 are backed right on the application. The third benefit. Robinhood's platform is iconic. It's easy on the eyes and easy to use either on the computer or your mobile phone device. Personally, I prefer to use Robinhood on my phone as opposed to my computer because that's how easy it is to use Robinhood. They make it so easy on the application to just scroll through, pick the stocks you want, and have all the information you really need to start trading. The fourth and final benefit on my list. Robinhood is also a very versatile brokerage offering many different features, some old and some new, such as DRIP, fractional shares, options trading, cryptocurrency access, cash management, also known as a debit card, and market analysis features provided on Robinhood Gold. If you're worried about what all these things mean and what they exactly do, then don't you worry. I got you in future videos. Just make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Do note that some of these require extra clearances, such as requiring you to sign up for the cash management service, fractional shares being available to you with time, cryptocurrency access not being currently available in certain areas of the US, and Robinhood Gold costing $5 per month. Now let's talk about some things that I think are downsides for Robinhood. Downside number one. Personally, my number one problem with Robinhood is the speed at which things update on high volume trading days. This is especially true during the events that we currently are going through, as well as when I wake up in the morning and open the app and just find it all glitchy. And this glitchiness at times can prevent you from buying or selling out of a position. Thankfully, this has not been an extremely concerning or repetitive problem. However, it can be scary or annoying at times. Downside number 2. There's not as much information out there on Robinhood compared to other brokerages such as WeBull, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, or Tastyworks. And this is especially true for charts and statistical analysis. This may have more of an importance to you if you are interested in higher volatility trading such as options. Downside number 3. Robinhood lacks retirement accounts such as traditional IRAs or Roth IRAs, so if you're looking to save on taxes for retirement, perhaps another brokerage would be the right one for you. My 4th and final downside. Finally, Robinhood doesn't necessarily have the best reputation when it comes to customer service, as I've heard many cases where complaints go completely ignored or unanswered for days. I have never reached out to Robinhood's customer service myself. However, I personally believe Robinhood is improving upon the areas in which they're lacking. So what are my thoughts on Robinhood? I'm a dividend growth investor that dabbles in options trading. It's kind of counterintuitive, but I like what I do. Personally, I love using Robinhood from its accessibility, its ease of use, and all of the features that it provides, and its zero commission trading. Like I said before, I think Robinhood's overall platform, color scheme, and feeling when using the application on any device feels iconic and memorable. It has a simple layout that doesn't get too technical, which is what I like. Although I don't use all the features that Robinhood has to offer, such as drip or cash management, I do trade options on a daily basis and am subscribed to Robinhood Gold. I do also research the things that Robinhood lacks on websites such as investing.com or with other brokerages, and often look at different charts from WeBull or Tastyworks for a better feel of things in the options spectrum. However, I do use Robinhood as my main brokerage as it feels the most comfortable and easy to use out of all the brokerages that I've tried in the past. Now I want to know, what are your thoughts on Robinhood and what do you think about the brokerage? Post your thoughts in the comment below. If you heard everything so far and you're thinking, hey, this might be the right brokerage for me, then feel free to sign up on Robinhood's website or download their application on your mobile device. Alternatively, if you'd like a free stock valued up to $175, then please feel free to use my referral link in the description box below. This link is safe, it's directly from Robinhood, and will guarantee you a 100% chance in getting a stock once you sign up with the referral link. It will also send me a stock as well, which is really awesome. If you would like more guidance on how to sign up for Robinhood a step at a time, then I'll be posting a video soon on that step-by-step process. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and like to see more content like this, then please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. If you have others in your life who are interested in investing or are curious about Robinhood as a brokerage, please feel free to share this video with them. Knowledge for all is power. Let's continue to grow with your investments. Thank you so much for watching this video once again. Peace, peace, peace.